Hi, I'm Darlene, and I'm going to show you how to create one post and share it on your Facebook page, Twitter account, and Google Business Listing with just a click. Let's check it out. I'm going to demo this from my Facebook page in Digital Marketing Suite, but this posting magic also works from your Twitter and Google My Business pages as well. On the Facebook page in Digital Marketing Suite, click Create Post. Type your message in the text field. Add an image to pull your audience in. And I'm also going to link my website. Now that's a good looking post. But here's the best part. See these little circles? There's one for your Facebook page, one for your Google Business Listing, and one for your Twitter account. If you have all three connected, you can select all three radio buttons and this beautiful post will be shared on all three of the platforms with one click. Pretty cool, huh? This is just a funny meme, so I'm gonna stick to social platforms. Facebook is already selected, so I'll just select Twitter and post. I hope you like this how-to on posting to social media platforms in Digital Marketing Suite. I'm Darlene, see you later.